In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the conversion tracking ID in Google Ads. Whether you're setting up your first campaign or refining your tracking setup, understanding how to locate your conversion tracking ID is essential for effective ad performance analysis. Let's dive right in and break it down step by step. First, you'll want to begin by logging into your Google Ads account. Make sure you use the correct login credentials to access the right account where you're managing campaigns. It's crucial because accessing the wrong account can lead to a lot of confusion later on. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout if you're not used to it, as it may help you navigate more efficiently. Next, you'll need to direct your attention to the left-hand panel on your screen. You'll see several options here. Look for goals and hover your mouse over it. A submenu will appear, and you'll want to go to conversions and then to summary. This area is where all your conversion tracking magic happens. You'll be able to see a high-level view of your conversion actions here, providing a comprehensive overview of what's been set up. From the summary page, the next step is to click on View All Conversion Actions. This option will give you a detailed list of every conversion action you have set up in your account. It's an organized list that makes it simple to find specific actions related to various goals you've planned for your campaigns. Once you're in, find the specific conversion action you're interested in tracking. Take your time to identify the correct one, especially if you have multiple conversion actions underway. Selecting the right conversion action is fundamental because each action has unique tracking data you'll need to set up correctly. After selecting your conversion action, look for Tag Setup on the resulting page. Click on it and you'll see several options. Choose Use Google Tag Manager. This is a popular choice for marketers as it allows you to manage multiple tags on your site without having to modify the code manually. Now, an important moment, you'll see both the conversion ID and conversion label displayed on the screen. These two pieces of data are your keys to accurately track conversions using Google Tag Manager or any other tag setup tool you're employing. Finally, make sure you copy both the conversion ID and conversion label. These should be kept handy for your tag setup process. They serve as identifiers within Google Tag Manager or any other platforms you are integrating, ensuring that your conversions are tracked correctly and reported accurately. That's it. With these steps, you should be well on your way to setting up effective conversion tracking in Google Ads, ensuring you have the insights needed to optimize your campaigns accurately.